Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. Let me show you what I use to master the no makeup look. A couple of these products that I'm using today actually are new, so we're gonna try them together. But I do want to tell you, mastering that no makeup look takes more than just makeup. You yourself are the person that masters it. Being awake, being refreshed, being revived, and showing that through your attitude is what's gonna help you master this look. Okay, let's do some makeup. It's been a while since we have had a topo moment. For real though, good stuff, so refreshing. Okay, Merit, step right up. I've already done my brows. I just did, the norm, what I usually do. If you've been watching me, you already know. If you haven't, what are you doing? And you can watch my everyday brow routine right up here. You can click it, whatevs, and then come back to this video, of course. But I did use this brow tint and this brow pomade from Merit, of course. Looks like this. I just did a little filling and a little brushing up, and this actually holds really well. It will hold all day. Let's go in. I'm so excited to try this. This is obviously from Merit. It is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. If you watched my haul from the Sephora VIB sale, then you know I did purchase this. And then after that, they sent me one. Merit did. We love that. Thank you, Merit. That is so, so kind. I am forever grateful. Now I have two. I will give one away. Don't worry, I don't need both. So let's just go right in with this. This has niacinamide, 4 types of hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. The niacinamide is for brightening. It's got caffeine, pH balance for a healthy skin barrier. It looks like it's got some good stuff in here, guys. Looks like we're working with some good product. So you can see it is separated. The bottle itself is very much like a vanity piece. You could sit it on your vanity and it won't look, like clutter. It'll look very aesthetic and just, it's very nice on the eyes, which is important to me because if you're spending, more than drugstore prices, then I want a nice bottle for obvious reasons. Okay, let's shake this bad boy up. It's very nicely packaged. It really, really is. Got my mirror here. Let's see what we're working with. I don't know why I'm feeling a little nervous. Probably because I want it to be really, really nice. Okay, straight liquid. You see that run right on down. Very smooth in the hands. Oh, this feels, oh my gosh. Oh, this feels wonderful. Wow. Like truly, oh my goodness. It's so smooth. Like when you first, it's like, okay, this feels good. But it's like a baby's bottom. I have to remember that my brows are done because normally I do my brows last and yeah, that's going to be tricky. Holy cow, this is so, so smooth. Gee whiz, that's beautiful. It feels so moisturizing. Doesn't feel heavy or cakey. My skin looks good. It doesn't have, it's got a nice soft dewiness to it, but it's not, the e.l.f. halo glow type situation. It's a very natural, as Merit loves to advertise, minimal but beautiful, you but a little better, So this, after reading on Sephora about just the product and how it suggests we use it, is not necessarily a primer. Like it's not, this is your ultimate makeup primer. This is skincare. Use it to help lock in hydration. And this is also, can be used alone or underneath your makeup. So it can be used as a nice, soft, hydrating, get your skin going type primer. Like if you could feel how smooth my skin is, oh my gosh. You wouldn't be able to keep your hands off me. Now let's go in with something that I find myself reaching for quite often, even off camera. This is the Minimalist, and this is a foundation, concealer, whatever you really want it to be type situation. I have two. I've got one in the shade Bisque, and it looks like this. You can see this is a warmer shade, and then we also have the shade Dune, which is a little bit, well, actually significantly lighter if we're actually looking at it. So I'm gonna go in with Dune actually, and we're just gonna cover my under eyes and work from there. If I do a light makeup day, I go in and I just kind of look at my face, analyze, and cover as I see fit. So we'll start with that much. You can see it glides on like nobody's business. Super easy. And then I'll go in with the Merit brush. This isn't sponsored, by the way. They are just like the ultimate minimal, no makeup company, in my opinion. This is a nice dense brush that just pushes it in. Ooh, they need a setting powder. Oh my god, Merit. What are you doing? Setting powder. I think it's time. You can see how nicely covered that is, but it's not fully covered. I've got on heavy concealer, heavy makeup type situation. It just looks very nice and very natural. When I'm doing a look like this, I do want my actual discolorations and purples, you know, sleepy eyes. I want that to show through a little bit because this is no makeup. We don't have to look flawless all the time. That brought our under eyes a couple shades brighter because I was looking super sleepy. Absolutely I was. I'm gonna target here just to create a little bit of shape and shadow and dimension to the face. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Not to cover, but once again, to add some shadow so we don't look super one-noted. This blends in really well just using your finger too, obviously, as you can see. So this is what we look like so far. I'm already like very impressed, feel really refreshed, ready to go. Impressed, refreshed, that's a good combination. But we cannot stop here. We have a few more products. This product I have not ever tried. First time trying it. This is the Merit Bronze Balm. It's a sheer bronzer. Mine is in the shade Clay. I did look at the packaging already. I did take a little peek and it's gorgeous. I love the gold. All of these pieces look very much like vanity pieces that are just, you can sit out and they're eye-catching. They're gorgeous. That is absolutely a flawless piece, and it looks like it cost you $1 million, you know? So let's go right in. Golly, look how like glossy that looks. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Perfect. Dang nabbit. I don't know how this is gonna go. Let's take note at how nice and refreshed I look right now. And then if it gets messed up, we'll just remember back when I did look very nice. I do like that color. It's a very nice color. Now let's see. Let's go in with the Merit brush that we used for the Minimalist. I'm just kind of pressing, obviously. So I'm actually loving how this looks because this product is the product if you feel like when you put on a contour or a bronzer, you have just a streak. The sheerness of this product is beautiful and it gives us that shape, see, without giving us that streak, that line that anybody who has put on bronzer or contour once has had it themselves or seen it on other people. So like that's gorgeous. Like this can become somebody's everyday bronzer / contour stick very quickly because that's stunning. It looks unbelievably natural. Minimal effort and it looks, you gotta admit, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Okay, I could talk about that forever. This one is in the shade Clay. Go get yours now. It'll be linked down below. Wow. Let's finish the rest of the face. So this Merit bronzer I am obsessed with. Like I could play with this all day long. It's so pretty and I don't look overdone. I look very no makeup makeup-y. Stunning. I honestly think that could very well, very quickly become my favorite Merit / my favorite no makeup product. This was gorgeous. Blended like a dream. It looks stunning. It does not look heavy. Like, this is what I mean. This is the no makeup look that we try to achieve. This right here. Wow. So pretty. I cannot get over how wonderful that just worked out. Gorgeous. But we must carry on. I've tried this product before, but I have not tried this shade. This is the Merit Flush Balm. We love their blushes. They're gorgeous. I do have 2 shades already. They are sheer. They go on like a dream. They go on about like that bronzer just went on. Just so easy to blend and so easy to work with. They're gorgeous. They look rather intimidating because of the color, but when you swipe them, you can see they're very sheer. They have a gorgeous natural dew to them. This one, I don't think I've ever been more intimidated by a blush. And then I swiped it and I was like, oh, that's rather gorgeous. It's like a plum. I just want to bite right in. But today we're going to try this shade, Stockholm. Look how gorgeous and poppy and pink this color is. I am so excited. They did send me this and I'm, oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh, that's a beautiful spring poppy pink. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Just gonna pop it on like this. One thing I did notice about these blushes that if you have foundation on and you take this and you swipe it, it will move and pick up your foundation. Like you'll pull off your blush and that will be your foundation. So if you pop it on like this, and you can go in with your finger, but I'm gonna go in with this same brush that I've been using and just kind of blend things out, pull things up. If you go in with the same brush that you've been using for your entire routine, then you kind of tone down your colors. Everything's gonna look more blended together, more well blended together because you've got everything that you've been using on that brush. This color is so gorgeous. Gorge, we love. Cannot decide if I want to go in with the Merit highlighter or not. It is rather gorgeous and it's so pretty, as in like it does give you that natural glow. It's not too highlightery. Yeah, well, I guess we're going in. Yeah, this is the Merit Highlighting Balm in the shade Kava. And it's like the lightest champagne-y highlight. It's almost like a stardust, if you will. So gorge. And now you guys are probably gonna kill me because I've been using Merit this entire time. But I cannot find my Merit mascara. So sorry. But hold on. I do have the Perricone MD No Makeup Mascara. And it is in the shade brown. And it's actually a really good mascara for the no makeup look. So we're just going to go right in. We'll try to make them look a little wispy. And I'm just going to do one layer because, again, we want to stick with the no makeup look. See how pretty that is? But it's still, once again, a very natural look. If you just do a few swipes with some wiggling in there, you'll get a nice, natural, wispy looking lash. Oh, and Merit, y'all need a setting spray too. We need a loose setting powder and a setting spray. And then I'll leave you alone. I won't ask for anything else. So look at us. I might take a little selfie. No, I'm just kidding. Let me find a lip product because believe it or not, I didn't lose it. I don't have a Merit lip product. Something's wrong there. Let's go in. Yeah, I've been wanting to go in with this anyway. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Grapefruit. I do already have one of these in the shade White Peach. This is just a new shade that I wanted to try. So today will be the day. Ooh, smooth. Delish. Smells good. Super smooth, no joke. Now, do you feel like we are ready to take on the day? I do. I think we look very refreshed, very awake. You guys, this was so fun. I actually do have to get my day going. It's morning time, so good morning to you. I hope you have a fabulous day, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.